Great day, my revivers. Today we're going to be talking about Aventurine. Aventurine, and this is a beautiful green stone. You know, greens are my favorites. I love the green. So today we're going to talk about Aventurine, and I'm going to be shipping lots of these out. These are a triagonal crystal system, and the hardness is a 7. So we talked about selenite before. So this is like 6 times. Well, no, selenite is a 2. So these are like 5 times harder in the texture of the actual stone. And the planet is Mercury, and the zodiac sign this is connected to is Aries. All right. And the chakra that this is connected to is the heart and the spleen. This source comes from Italy, Brazil, China, India, Russia, Tibet, and Nepal. This is beneficial for balancing male, female energy, prosperity, leadership, decisiveness, compassion, empathy, irritation, creativity, stuttering, severe neurosis, thymus gland, and y'all know what that is, the heart, connective tissue, nerve system, blood pressure, metabolism, cholesterol, wait, hold on. Y'all got to work with me. This one is really long. Arteriosol. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce this word, and I don't have a problem letting you know that. So it's Arteriosclerosis. Yeah, that was really long, right? So it's good for that. Heart attacks, anti-inflammatory, skin eruptions, allergies, migraine headaches, eyes, adrenals, lungs, sinuses, the heart, muscular, and urogenital systems. So these are all the great benefits of the Aventurine. These are the things that if you deal with any of those ailments or any of those problems, you can use this stone and keep this stone close to you. Prosperity. I have one of these in my wallet. This is also the same thing. They come in different colors depending on where they derive from. They could be darker, they could be lighter. These are tumbled, and these are basically shined and glossed. This is a palm stone. There's different types of stones, and we'll get into those some other time, but I want to start getting into more of the crystals and the ones that people look for and have around more often than none. This is a solidite. This is a worry stone. This is a stone. A lot of people get this stone because, like, if you're a nurse or a doctor or you deal with anxiety or worry, you can put this in your pocket, your scrubs, your blazer, whatever, and just put your hand in there and rub on it. We'll talk about how you cleanse the stones, the intent that they have. You see the difference between this that has an indention in it, and this one is just smooth on both sides. This one is flat and then has an indention. So this is a worry stone where you would rub your thumb or rub your finger, whatever finger you want to rub in it when you are worrying and something is bothering you or bothering your mental. I like the palm stones. I like the worry stones. Certain stones feel better in your hand. Like this is very smooth. So this is a palm stone. This is a worry stone. See the difference? Then we have this is a Kumbaba jasper. And this is a worry stone as well, but it's a teardrop worry stone. So it kind of actually allows, well, I have a big thumb, so your thumb to sit like right in it, and you can just kind of rub it when you need to. And we're not going to talk about these stones because this is not what this video is for. It's for the Aventurine, and so that's why I'm talking about it. But I just wanted to show you the different types of stones that there are. So this is a palm stone. A lot of people love the palm stone because it's so smooth, and you can actually rub it as well, and it's just as smooth as the one with the indention. So this is the Aventurine. If you have any questions about it or you would like to order, always remember TheCPRVibe@gmail.com is where you can get in contact with me if you have any questions about trying to find out what stones you need in your life so that you can keep them close to you and pray into them and put intentions into them for them to help you and give therapy and healing where they can in your life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, you are the most important person in your life, and without you, nothing exists. And stick to your script because you are the best at it, and that is the only way to get to your divine purpose in life. I will talk to you guys later, Gators.